Let's watch this video.
Some of you are just proud. Yeah. I'm AA, I'm proud. I'm AA, I'm proud. When they sew suits for you, they don't used to push shoulder pad anymore.
Hey, Elio, I don't want to ask, so who are you?
But the thing that is annoying me is that the AA I'm proud that you are doing, the buga, is the results that they told you as a child. You did not check out, they just told you your genotype is AA. You have been carrying shoulders since then.
Even though.
Some of you is test that they did in 1990. I'm not even sure of the lab that they did it inside, but your own is me, I'm AA, I'm proud. Since then, we have not checked at all, and you want to marry.
That's the play. They play.
Nkechi Ngozi is entering your eye. Emeka is entering your eye. My dear, go and recheck again. The reason is some of you are carrying wrong certificates. Your genotype is AS, but in your mind you are AA. Recheck it, and if what you rechecked is different from what they told you, you need to repeat it in another reputable lab. At least 2 of them should be saying the same thing before you can now say this is my genotype and you're carrying it to your chest. So, my dear, before you're AA like me, I'm proud. Have you checked?
If you don't know who that is a Aproko doctor and is one of our national treasures here in Nigeria. He did a great job raising awareness, and I'm here to explain why what he said is very important. Sickle cell disease is a genetic disorder that affects the red blood cells, making them rigid and crescent-shaped instead of its usual biconcave shape. This can cause a range of complications such as chronic pain, anemia, infections, and even organ damage. The disease is caused by a mutation in the gene that produces hemoglobin, which is the protein that is responsible for carrying oxygen in the blood. Now, if both parents carry a copy of the mutated gene, their child has a 25% chance of inheriting 2 copies of the gene and developing sickle cell disease. That is why it is important for individuals to know their genotype before deciding to get married, as this can help them avoid the risk of passing the disease to their children. In the past, the test used to determine sickle cell genotype was a simple test that looked for the presence of the abnormal hemoglobin in the blood. This test, called sickle cell solubility test, was inexpensive and easy to perform, but it was not very accurate. This is because some individuals may have sickle cell traits, which means they carry 1 copy of the mutated gene but do not have the sickle cell disease. These individuals may not show up on solubility tests, leading to false negative results. However, with the discovery of hemoglobin electrophoresis testing for sickle cell disease became more accurate and reliable. Hemoglobin electrophoresis is a laboratory technique that separates different types of hemoglobin based on their electrical charge and size. This allows for the identification of different types of hemoglobin, including the abnormal hemoglobin associated with sickle cell disease. The test is highly accurate and can detect both sickle cell traits and sickle cell disease. Many labs in Nigeria have long adopted the use of hemoglobin electrophoresis, but there are still some, particularly in rural areas, that use the ancient solubility test. Apart from that, people that were tested many years ago for sickle cell have a higher likelihood to have been tested using the solubility test rather than hemoglobin electrophoresis. The benefits of hemoglobin electrophoresis are numerous. First, it is highly accurate and can detect the presence of sickle cell traits, which means individuals can make informed decisions about their reproductive choices. Second, it can detect other hemoglobin disorders such as thalassemia, which may require specialized treatment. Third, it can be used to confirm the diagnosis of sickle cell disease, which is important for managing the disease and preventing complications. In conclusion, sickle cell disease of offsprings can be prevented by knowing your genotype before getting married. The discovery of hemoglobin electrophoresis has made testing for sickle cell disease more accurate and reliable, allowing individuals to make informed decisions about their reproductive choices. I encourage everyone to get tested for sickle cell disease and other genetic disorders. Do you know your genotype? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to support the channel by subscribing and checking out the playlists you can see on your screen right now. Until next time, bye for now.